Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the Amazon Echo frames, exploring their design, audio quality, smart features, and more. Don't forget to check the link in the description to learn more about this product on Amazon. And if you enjoy our content, make sure to subscribe for the latest tech reviews and tutorials. Design and comfort. The Amazon Echo frames are designed to seamlessly integrate smart technology into a pair of eyeglasses that look almost indistinguishable from regular eyewear. These frames are lightweight and comfortable, making them suitable for all-day wear. One of the standout features is their ability to blend into daily life without drawing too much attention. The design is nearly normal, with the only giveaway being the slightly thicker stems that house the tech components such as the microphones, speakers, and control buttons. The Echo frames feature inconspicuous placement of buttons and speakers. The volume rocker is located on one stem, while the other stem houses the play, pause, and skip action buttons. This thoughtful placement ensures that the controls are easily accessible yet not visually obtrusive. Additionally, the frames come with prescription-ready lenses, allowing users to integrate their vision correction needs with smart functionality seamlessly. Despite the technology packed into them, these frames remain comfortable. The stems, though thicker, not significantly detract from the overall comfort thanks to their lightweight design. Users have noted that they feel almost like regular eyeglasses, which is a testament to Amazon's focus on ensuring comfort along with functionality. In summary, these smart glasses offer a nearly normal eyeglass look with a lightweight and comfortable design. The buttons and speakers are discreetly placed, ensuring the glasses blend seamlessly into daily wear. However, the thicker stems, necessary for housing the tech components, might be noticeable upon closer inspection. Audio quality. When it comes to audio performance, the Echo frames deliver clear and warm sound through their microspeakers. These smart glasses excel in providing a comfortable listening experience with an open-ear design that keeps you aware of your surroundings. However, they lack significant bass, making some music tracks sound hollow. In quiet environments, the audio is quite pleasant, but in noisy settings, it struggles to compete with ambient sounds, and Alexa may have trouble hearing commands. Smart features and Alexa integration. The Echo frames offer a range of smart features powered by Alexa, designed to simplify your daily life. With hands-free calling, you can make and receive calls without taking out your phone. Just ask Alexa to call someone in your contacts, and you can answer or reject calls using the buttons on the frames. Alexa can also send messages for Android users. For music lovers, these frames let you control your music playback effortlessly. A double press on the back action button starts a recommended playlist, and the advanced open-ear audio technology ensures that you hear your music clearly without disturbing those around you. Additionally, VIP Filter allows you to receive notifications only from selected contacts and apps, ensuring you stay updated on what matters most. Pairing the Echo frames with your smartphone is straightforward, enabling you to switch audio seamlessly between devices like your laptop and phone. This feature is perfect for transitioning from a video call on your computer to listening to music on your walk. Echo frames also enable you to manage your smart home on the go. You can check if you locked the front door, control lights, and adjust your home's temperature with simple voice commands. For added convenience, you can track your Echo frames if they are misplaced by using the Alexa app or another Echo device. Privacy is a priority, allowing you to mute the microphones anytime by double-pressing the front action button. This ensures that your interactions with Alexa are secure and private. These features highlight the convenience and integration of Alexa, making everyday tasks more manageable and efficient. Battery life and charging. The Echo frames offer around 6 hours of continuous media playback at 80% volume. Charging is done via a custom USB-C charger included in the package. Note that it does not come with a charge adapter. To charge the frames, you need to fold them closed and place the stems into the narrow channel on the charging base, which can be a bit unintuitive at first. An indicator light on the stand helps confirm when the frames are fully charged. Remember to check the link in the description to explore more about the product on Amazon, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tutorials on the latest tech.